Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm giving a second life to this old leather bag we actually found in the trash bin. Can you believe that? The owner said she didn't want to use it anymore and asked us to just throw it away. But my coworker wanted to keep it, so I offered to give it a little makeover. Let's see how it turns out. I already washed and cleaned the bag. I'll be using Liam Jacob leather paint in tan brown. To start off, I put a cloth inside the bag so the shape will stay in good form while I'm painting. And here's the final result. What do you think? From a bag that was supposed to be thrown away to something stylish and totally usable again. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and my coworker loved it too. If you enjoyed this transformation, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY and restoration videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!